Hello all, it's 1st December, officially winter. An intense foggy Bangalorean weather outside, and yes, it's a Monday Thursday. Home is empty as both the men are at their workplace, and I thought let's utilize the time and start the winter decoration. Well, unlike my other makeover video, it's a different one as I have invested almost an entire week to decorate my living room. Winter decoration is probably the most favorite one for me. I have lots and lots of beautiful childhood memories related to winter. Being a Bengali, how can we deny the most fun-filled and eventful time after Durga Puja and Diwali? I was born and raised up in Kolkata, and winter used to be the most happening time for us. Picnics, fairs, circus, winter special foods, and how can I forget the smell of those yummy fruit cakes, the bakery items, and some special fish items made by my mom. And of course, piping hot kachoris and garma garam chai from street side. Well, there are so many fond memories, you see. The excitement in the air is much higher. The whole city looks forward to the charming winter because it is a time to get out and fall in love with everything the city of joy has to offer. Everything is bright, happy, beautiful, courtesy of the warm, glowing winter sun. And icing on the cake is the birth of my son. Yes, we welcomed our baby boy on 1st January, the first day of the year. And we used to celebrate the whole week starting from 25th as per his wish. And it gradually became the ritual for us. This is why winter is very special for our family. Well, now I'm done for today. We'll resume the decoration after visiting IKEA. Yes, we have a plan to visit the store so that I can add some more beautiful decor products to enhance the winter look. It's 10th December. Well, before starting the makeover, it's time to bake a cake. Well, it's a pumpkin cake. I'm trying it for the first time, hoping it will come out well.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Well, this is the most favorite corner of mine, and I'm trying to create a warm cafe look here.
Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
So finally I'm done. Hope you have enjoyed the whole process. So here is the final look. So that's all for today's video. Hope you will like it. We'll meet you very soon. Till then, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all my lovely viewers. Bye.